I made these nightstands for the guest bedroom I recently decorated, and they add a great personal touch to the room. Today, I want to show you how to build your own nightstand with some low-cost finds from Walmart and Amazon. Keep watching to see this easy side table DIY. These nightstands were just one of the DIYs I put together for my 4-part Room of the Month series, where I turned my boring guest room into a light and bright and welcoming room for guests that are going to be coming pretty soon on the holidays. I saw these wooden planks at Walmart and they looked like they would go so well with the neutral colors that I was going for in my guest bedroom. I didn't even have to paint them because they had a really nice whitewash finish already on them. I picked up 2 so I could have one on either side of the bed. I just like things being symmetrical like that. Then all I needed were some legs for the nightstands. And I found these on Amazon and I liked how simple and elegant they were. I ended up using an electric drill to put these together, and it happens that my friend Natalie here on YouTube hosts a challenge called Girls Can Use Power Tools. So I wanted to participate by sharing this video and encouraging everyone to pick up a power tool, even if you're like me and power tools just aren't something that you use every day. Natalie's co-host this month is Ashley Lauren, and they have a playlist which I will link below so you can see the other YouTubers who participated in this challenge. And there's going to be all kinds of other great projects using power tools. All right, let's get right into this tutorial so you can see how easy it was to put together these nightstands using a power tool. Okay, here's the power tool that I'm going to be using to make these nightstands. It is a Black & Decker 12-volt electric drill. It has the little rechargeable battery on there, which is really handy, and I've found that this battery lasts a really long time before you need to recharge it. And I picked up these 3/4-inch screws from Lowe's. I measured the height of the location that I would be drilling these screws in before my shopping trip to make sure that I didn't get any that were too long, because then, well, they would have just popped up through the top of the nightstands and that just wouldn't have looked too good. I figured out which drill bit to use just by eyeballing the screw next to them and picking out one that was a tiny bit smaller. Nothing too technical here. Then I just did something similar, testing out which screwdriver bit would match the screw head. If you're new here, I want to say hello and thank you so much for joining the Artsy Cupcake crew. My name is Maria and I'm a full-time graphic designer, so I love being creative pretty much every day, whether it's at work or home. I share home decor, fashion, and recipe videos, with cupcakes being my absolute favorite food to get creative with. So if you like cupcakes and creativity, please make sure to hit that bell so you can get all kinds of creative ideas right here on Artsy Cupcake. Now I've got my tools and my supplies all ready to go, so let's put these things together. I knew I wanted one leg in the center, and then on the other side I was going to put the other 2 legs. So I placed them and marked where I would drill the holes. Now these legs had some extra holes on them and they didn't fit the little area where I was drilling them. So looking back now, I probably should have put a block of wood to level that out so that all the screws would have had a place to go. I would have used some wood glue to slap a little block of wood on there and let it dry overnight before drilling. How I did it ended up working just fine though, but I think it would have made these nightstands just a little bit more sturdy. Okay, now it is time to drill those holes and then get those screws in there. Pre-marking these holes really made this part super easy and fast. And here are the finished nightstands. I am really happy with how they came out. Let me know what you thought of these, or if you would have made them a little bit differently than I did. I'm really active in the comments section below, so I would really love to hear from you. If you haven't seen my guest bedroom makeover series, I will link it right up here for you somewhere so that you can see how these nightstands ended up looking in the newly redecorated guest bedroom. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.